Bonk has been taking over the online crypto space. Should you load up on Bonk? Rumor has it Bonk is about to have a sell-off, so maybe we're gonna get a crazy price entry point. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about none other than Bonk Inu, Bonk cryptocurrency that has been taking the internet by storm. I was on Twitter earlier today, seeing some exciting things happening with Bonk, some bullish and bearish news as well. I want to start the video off by talking about this tweet I saw. So users who locked on day of the Bonk Inu Bonk rewards will have their 6-month Bonk unlocked in the next 24 hours. That's a huge amount of tokens coming out of lock. Be watching. A sell-off could provide excellent entries. Are you relocking, selling, or holding? As the question is open for the people. Now guys, right now we're kind of in a poopy market, so I don't imagine people are going to dump their tokens while it's down, but I imagine a Bonk sell-off to come relatively speaking soon. Now I don't know if it's going to be a massive amount, but a sell-off to say none the least. We are down nearly 15% on the week, so already I do see some opportunities here to load up on Bonk, as Bonk has some crazy upside potential, and they're doing something completely unique in the space. Talking about unique in the space, guys, I saw this on CoinMarketCap earlier as well, and I thought it was pretty cool. I want to share with you guys. Here's how much you would have if you invested $1,000 exactly a year ago today with some of the top meme coins. If you invested $1,000 into Doge, you'd have $1,300. Shib would be about $1,400. Pepe would be about $5,000, close to $6,000 actually. But Bonk, if you invested $1,000 exactly a year ago today, you'd have $58,000 at Bonk at the current price. So you could even raise this by 15% and make that like close to $65,000 US by a merely $1,000 investment. Guys, this is the price of high risk, high reward place, and people getting into projects early on and seeing the signs. A lot of people right off the bat were very bullish on Bonk because it had the signs to be a top meme coin, and obviously people who got in early are definitely reaping some rewards. Even with the rewards being unlocked after that lock, we're anticipating people are going to sell because they relatively got in early and they're sitting on some profits. So that's definitely something to account for. But if you want to be early on projects like this, guys, the best bet is buying into projects early. Time of buying into projects early, guys. This is a project that you could buy into early, and it's not Bonk, but it still is a dog themed token. It's called Play Doge. So Play Doge is a best play to earn Doge companion game. It basically brings the life of a Dogecoin meme into the life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet, where you play to earn. You take care of your pet and you get rewarded back in these coins. Not only is this a play to earn game, guys, but this project also has staking, paying out currently a 78% AP. In the next 2 days, they're having a price hike, guys. So if you want to buy now at the lowest price, now is your time to buy. This project has raised almost $6 million and doesn't look like it's slowing anytime soon. You can buy with ETH card. But going back to Bonk, why did I bring this up in a Bonk video? It's that same factor, guys. People who believe in Bonk early reap the most rewards, and people who are going to believe in Play Doge are going to also reap some solid rewards. So you want to buy into Play Doge, not this financial advice, load up, link in the description below. We've been seeing some crazy games, some pre-sale gems. If you don't want to miss out, now is your time to strike. But let's go back to Bonk, specifically the technical analysis. Let's see how the technicals are doing. Moving averages are in strong sell, oscillators are neutral, giving us a total summary of sell. And honestly, guys, for me, that's pretty bullish, because when I see selling, I like to be buying. Again, you don't make your profit, guys, when you sell. You make your profit when you buy. And if this project is down 15% on the week, down 5% on the month, we're basically getting some guaranteed locked-in gains by simply buying in on the red day. So when that recovers, you're making some instant gains, right? That's definitely why I wanted to highlight Bonk today, as it was a red week for Bonk. I mean, it's red across the board for a lot of cryptocurrencies. We see Bitcoin down 10%. Ethereum down about 23%, Solana down 9%, BNB down 14%. So right across the board, it's time to load up. Talking about right across the board, we're looking at the fear and greed index. We're currently sitting at a 42 neutral, slowly creeping back towards fear, which is fine. I think in the upcoming weeks, we are going to see cryptos pump like crazy. Donald Trump has been being a massive advocate for Bitcoin, and if he does win the presidential campaign, it could potentially cause a crazy bull market surge in the markets. We're looking at the top meme coin, guys, and Bonk is still on that list, currently at top 5, and also a top 50 meme coin, or top 50 coin across the globe. It has a nearly $1.4 billion market cap, down 15% on the day. Could be some solid times to load up. We see on Bonk, guys, for Twitter specifically, they have almost 330,000 followers. We see actively posting, keeping the community engaged, which is great to see. You can lock your Bonk using the Blink Bonk, or using Blink rewards. Now you can claim the latest Bonk Dragon attribute by locking locking 1 million bonk for 12 months. So yeah, that's pretty cool. They're trying to reward people for locking up, and that just helps with the price stability. And again, a lot of people do like to go for these claims. Now you can lock up your bonk for 12 months and earn 3.2 multiplier for rewards with blinks. That's pretty solid. Looks like some votes are in. The point is, guys, the reason why I'm so bullish on bonk is they're doing something unique in the market in a sense that they're super mega engaging with the community. And again, guys, the whole point of meme coins are to build community. So community building is absolutely massive and top priority for this crypto as well, which makes me overall very bullish for this project. But like always, guys, none of this information in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.